Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna hop right into this tutorial. I'll be doing a titanium and platinum wig for my little sis 16th birthday. So I'm using Icey hair, and it's Brazilian blonde lace frontal wig, 13x4x1. When I ordered this hair, y'all, I really thought it was a 13x4 frontal. But when they said that by one, middle part, that means it's only the middle part, literally. So, yeah, it's okay because she's 16. So, you know, we gonna see first, and then next time we'll get a frontal. But as you see, I am using the shimmer lights, and the reason why I use the shimmer lights because when you use that shimmer lights, I know I said in my last video, I didn't want the purple to get on the hair, but this time I wanted it to because it gives that like silvery tone to the blonde hair. So yeah, I'm definitely using that shimmer lights, and I put it all over the hair, and I'm just rinsing it out, and yeah. So this is what the hair looks like after it has been pre-washed. Nice and flowy. She wanted long hair, so I ended up getting the 22-inch Brazilian body wave, and yeah. So we're gonna get into this color. She wanted a silvery color, so I decided to go get platinum, and she already had gave me the titanium. So I just went and bought an extra bottle of the titanium and maybe 2 platinums. And what you're going to see me do is I'm just basically going to take that titanium and that platinum and alternate them all throughout the wig, row by row. And so I started off, I believe, with the platinum, and then I switched over to the titanium. So every row is platinum, the next row titanium, the next row platinum, the next row titanium, and I work my way all the way up. Right now this is just the back. I'm showing you the process. I started off with that toothbrush, but I quickly switched and realized that I need the applicator brush for this one. So yeah, y'all just continue watching. So this is what the wig looks like after I have put the color on it, and I really like it, y'all. Super dope, super cool. Now we're gonna get into the application part. So I washed, blow dried, and trimmed her ends, and then I just braided her down. And I am using the Sylk Serum by Miss Sylvia Blakely. I use this on all my clients, and when I tell you, they run back to me buying bottles, talking about how it's crack, y'all. I promise you. I can't make this up, but this is by my teacher. She's super dope, super cool, and I use this on all my clients. So yes, for faster hair growth and thickness, y'all get this. You can get it from me, you can get it from her. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description below. And I'm gonna get into cleaning off her face, making sure that, you know, it could adhere better when your skin is nice and clean. I'm gonna use that Gots to Be glue and a edge brush, and I'm gonna slick her edges back, making sure they're nice and sleek. Now you're going to see me take that wig cap. I'm going to do the ball cap method on her because I don't want any glue to kind of like touch her skin, not too much of it. So we are going to put the alcohol on top of the wig cap, and I'm just going to blow dry that on cool, making sure that it's nice and dry. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that everything adheres to the cap and it sticks well. And I am using ErickaJProducts, so I am using the skin guard just to protect her skin, of course, and making sure that that wig adheres to the cap and sticks like glue, baby, period. Yeah. And then I am going to take the Gots to Be Freeze spray, and I'm going to spray that on her forehead and a little bit on her hairline as well, just to make sure that that cap sticks down. It doesn't roll up. That's what we're trying to do, preventing from having too much roll. I'm gonna get it all on the sides, making sure that none when I cut it, the sides doesn't come up as well. So yes, you'll see me do that, and I'm gonna also blow dry that on cool, making sure that it's nice and dry. So now, you guys, you're going to see me get that adhesive by her product line, and I am going to apply it onto the cap on where I want it to lay. When I told you I'm trying to get this thing to stay all the way. So I'm just going to do one coat of that and rub it in, making sure, you know, it's coming backwards a little bit. And when I tell you that this adhesive dries pretty quick, it dries quick. Maybe you can give it about 2 to 3 minutes and it's turning clear. So I do like that. And then I'm going to take that blow dryer, and I am going to make sure that everything is nice and dry. And then after that, you're going to see me take the freeze spray and just go back over it just to make sure that, like I said, I want a secure hold for this ball cap method. And I am going to spray that on her hairline again. And I'm going to take the blow dryer once again just to make sure that it's nice and dry. So while her cap is drying, I'm just going to take some nylon thread, and I'm also going to take a sewing needle, and I'm just going to go around and make sure that the cap is on very securely and it isn't moving. And then I'm going to go back in with the blow dryer just to make sure that it's nice and dry once again, and then I'll begin to cut the cap off. Now you'll see me apply the wig. I put some makeup inside the wig, and I am going to lay it on top of her cap. You'll see me place it just to make sure when I put the adhesive on it, I know where I want to lay it and exactly where I want to lay it. And yeah, just continue watching. Now you're going to see me take that adhesive, and I am going to do 3 coats of it just to make sure that it sticks very, very well. So what you'll see me do is spread it all over. I'm going to wait till it dries clear, add another coat, spread it all over, wait till that dries clear, add another coat, spread it all over, and wait till it dries clear before I lay the wig onto the cap. So once that adhesive has dried, I am going to lay down the lace exactly where I put that adhesive. And I am also going to define her part just a little more so that when I curl it, her hair lays perfect, you know, flat down, right down the middle of her face. Now I am about to cut her lace. I know she's super excited because this is her first time having this hair color, and it was her 16th birthday. And when I tell y'all she absolutely loved this color, she absolutely loved it. So yeah, I'm just over here cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. You don't want it to be straight, because it's going to look like you tried to cut it like that. So make sure when you are cutting the lace off, cut it in like a zigzag motion so that hairline can look more natural. And also, it's okay if your wig is not all the way down. Go back and apply the adhesive, and that way those pieces that are up, because when you did it the first time, it is okay. You're gonna have those pieces where it comes back up. It's not gonna lay down the first time. That's what people don't tell you when you apply wigs. Take your time and go apply it piece by piece. And if you gotta take a little bit more glue, put a little bit more glue there. It ain't gonna hurt, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody gonna kill you on how you apply your wig, long as at the end result looks good, y'all. So yeah, y'all just continue watching, and yeah, y'all gonna see next clip. She ain't gonna know what she ain't gonna know what to do, y'all. I promise you, she definitely is not gonna know how to take herself. Okay, show them nails. Show them. Who did them?
You.
Rawtrendz what?
Sick.
Period. Who birthday?
Bye.
Yes. Hair by me, slay.
Period.
Nails by me, slay.